How to turn off or on in-app sounds on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on in-app sounds on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here in top corner and then go down and you will find this one here, settings, and now you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and then all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, in-app sounds, and if you want to turn it off, just one click, and as you see, in-app sounds has been turned off, and just one click again and you can turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.